To enhance the graphics settings on your Xbox Series X for an improved gaming experience, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you adjust settings for optimal performance. Step 1. Access Settings. Navigate to the main menu of your Xbox Series X and select the Settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Step 2. Select General. In the Settings menu, choose General. This section contains various system settings that affect your console's performance. Step 3. Go to TV and Display Options. Within the General settings, find and select TV and Display Options. Here, you can adjust the resolution and refresh rate for your display. Step 4. Set Resolution. In the TV and Display Options, choose the highest resolution supported by your TV. For most users, this will be 4K UHD. Ensure that the video fidelity and overscan settings are also optimized for your display. Step 5. Enable HDR. If your TV supports HDR High Dynamic Range, make sure to enable it in the same TV and Display Options menu. This will enhance the color and contrast in supported games. By following these steps, you can effectively increase the graphics settings on your Xbox Series X for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your enhanced visuals.